to see how we can customize or add some CSS and how we can add some images on the front side, and also we'll see how we can do some customization in the back end, so better we can have a better look and feel in the back end and as well as in the front side, right?
Okay.
So we already know that how we can uh, link models with the admin, right? So
Yes.
if I may go to my models, sorry, admin. So this is the way you have added, like I have imported this model question and I have registered to the admin site register question, right?
Yes.
So that's why it's if I go to the back end, I'm just typing just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So question is coming only,
Yes.
but this is not our only the purpose to show only questions. We should have some choices should be also here.
Yeah.
So how we can do that? I have to import that choice also,
Choices. Yes.
right? And then I can do like this. I have to register that also, right?
Okay.
Register choices. Now if I refresh, you can see choices are also coming,
Okay.
correct? Just by registering here, now it's started to display in the backend.
Okay.
And suppose that I want to add a choice, it's already giving me option to for which question you are going to add the choice, because those, why it's coming, because
So it is a prior. We have ID there.
foreign key relationship is there now with the
Yes.
two
Yeah.
tables. That's why Django detecting that there is a foreign key relationship, then you have to show the question.
Okay.
So Django is taking care of that, correct?
Okay.
Now you see, I can see only uh, two fields. Suppose that with the question I want to display when this question was published, two more fields here. How I can do? So for that, I think before that, yeah, for that I have to create one separate class, right?
Okay.
In the models, if I go to the models and there is a question, you see I've created one here, question admin,
Yes.
and then model at, like right now you're using only model. This is for the
Okay.
front, but if you are using model for the admin, you have to write admin model admin,
Okay.
and you have to import the admin also here.
Admin.
So admin models are little different than
Models. Normal.
models, the front model, right?
Okay.
So I have this one, question admin, right?
Okay.
So what I'll have to do, I have to just go to that admin. I have to also import that one, right?
Yes.
And with the question, I have to just append that question. Then see what will happen.
Okay.
So what I did, in the models, I have added this, and I'm telling that what are the fields I want to display: question, text, and pop date.
Public. But you can add list display to question itself. So why are you using question admin?
Because I am modifying the admin admin
Okay.
model. I'm modifying for
Oh,
the
so you're modifying the admin itself.
this is a model admin, and I am modifying to add more display two more fields.
Okay.
By default, it will just return one field here.
Okay.
only one field will come by default. But if I want to display more than one field, I have to use this
Yes. Question.
admin model, right?
Yes. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So this is the way like suppose here questions I am giving, choices are here, right? Each
Yes.
choice I want to see the votes as well.
Okay.
What I have to do? This was the choice.
Yes.
So I'll have to create a class. Class what?
A choice, sir.
Choice admin.
Yes.
Then admin dot model admin,
Okay.
right? And then I'm looking to display choice text and not question,
Vote.
uh, what I'm trying to display, right?
Okay.
What was the exact field name? Votes, sorry, right? So then I have to also import this in the admin
Yes.
because I have to link, and then with the choice I have to also pass this one.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
You see,
Yeah.
now the votes are also coming. Suppose that I want to display question. Let us see how question is coming. For which question this choice was, because all the choices are listing there now.
Okay.
Suppose if I'm adding add choice, right? I am choosing this my new question and choice text is no answer, right? Save. No answer is coming, but for which question? And if I'm clicking, then it's displaying here, right?
Yes.
So if I want to display the what I want to display question, this was the field, right?
It's yes.
Now you see, got?
Yes.
See, now slowly you are modifying the view of the backend.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Now see, we can do more thing. I'll come to the customization later on. So now see something more interesting here. Also,
Please.
I have added. Suppose that I have added those this choice admin in the models, right?
Yes.
I can add this in admin. The same thing can be admin as well. So I can take it from here, right? I can take it from here and put this in the question admin, right? Then I'm removing this one. Understood?
Yes.
Similarly, I'm taking out models from model that choice admin, right? And putting this in
Admin.
admin. So I think it's better place to, instead of there, I can we should add here as also.
Yes.
And what's left? Nothing left.
No. No.
Now this is the fields we are displaying. Now suppose here it's showing that fields. So I'm writing here pop date then question text, right? suppose I'm writing here fields equal to, first I'm typing pop date, then question text, right?
Okay.
Some error. So what is the problem? Okay, I have to remove this one. Duplicate is there because I have copied that one here.
Yes.
So if you see in the back end, for what I have added that fields pop date first and then question text. Go to the question, pop date and question text. Pop date fields. It's display. So here Django country, import admin, from.models, import question and choice. So in the fields equal to this. So it should changed. Basically what should happen, pop date should come first and it should go right.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Actually what is
It is
happening
just-
when we add now, you see what is happening.
Yes. The pub date is coming first.
Yes. So it's up to you. If you want to change the order of the fields, like you are keep adding the fields in the database, right?
Yes.
But you are not familiar that in which order that was saved in the database, and you want to display those fields in your choice of orders, right?
Okay.
So here whatever your fields writing first, that is coming first while adding.
Okay.
So from out of 10 fields, suppose that 5 fields you want that those are mandatory and they should be on top.
Yes.
So you can manage and set those order from here. So
Yes.
what list display is doing?
Yeah, it's displaying question text and pub date.
Pop date. What fields are doing? Setting
Yeah,
the
it shows in our order.
order of the fields, right?
Yes.
So two things clear.
Yeah.
Choice is there. You are adding choice. Question text. If you want to change, you can change the order. Right?
Yes.
Now, something more interesting. Here you see something what is written here. Field sets.
Okay.
Now let us see what is happening. None fields question text. Here in the question admin, I'm typing field sets, right? By default, these are the internal keyword of Django.
Okay.
Then what is there? And between that there is first of all small bracket, and within that first is none. I'll tell you what is the meaning of none. Then there is a dictionary, and first key is fields, and there is a value. What value? Question text, right? Question underscore text, right?
Okay.
Then I'm putting comma and then writing so I think at a time one can be added here. Suppose that I have removed this one, right? So now I have another. I'm writing here date information. Date information, right? Comma, then key, pop date, or you can just write the
Fields.
fields. Fields, then key, then values. What are the fields I'm putting here? Pop date, right?
Okay.
So see, some magic is going to happen. Do you want to see the magic?
Yes.
See the magic.
So okay. We are giving a separate.
Yes, it was none means no header is coming for that.
Okay. For publication date, we are having what is that?
Sorry?
Uh, so for publication date, we are having the field name.
Actually, if you see here for the publication text, I have given this date information.
Okay.
And if I have more than one field, could put here those other fields as well.
Okay. So instead of none, you can also put question like that.
None, sorry?
Instead of none.
Yeah, none is defining that I do not need header like this here.
Okay.
So that is the none.
So we can also add header to that also.
Header, footer,
Yeah, for that.
whatever the information you want to put, you can put here. Header you can do. That will come like a header.
Yes.
It's your choice.
Okay.
Interesting?
Yes, sir.
Magical?
Yes. So in this Disney also can I use this header like so
Yeah,
can I
yeah.
separate it?
When you are like lots of, you can club some information which are related.
Okay.
So put those. It's not like the just one field will come within that.
Okay.
Suppose you want to put the information like user information,
Yes.
yeah, member information. Member information is the appropriate there.
Okay.
So first you are choosing the resorts. Resorts. Choose the resorts. Choose resorts, right?
Okay.
Then choosing the resorts.
Yes.
Then here member information and put all those fields.
Okay.
You can do like that.
Yes. But we want to do this in admin file alone.
Yeah, first do in the admin. You are learning admin right now.
Okay.
Right now you are modifying the admin. For the front, it will not work. Admin has such feature. Front
Okay.
is in your hand.
Yes.
What are the way, what the HTML you are going to use, like the website I'm showing, that website, it's your design, na? This is the Django design.
Yes.
You are trying to modify, putting some headers in the Django using the Django admin.
Okay.
Django models, right?
Yes.
So this is magic.
Yes, sir.
Let me give you another magic. Now, I think we have already added choice. One thing is that we have added choice right here. If you go to the admin, we have added choice here,
Choice. Yes.
na? And then we are importing choice and displaying, right?
Okay.
But if these two are related, we can use different approach also. So let us see what can be that approach. So I'm importing both models.
Yes.
Now here see one class, choice inline admin stacked inline, right?
Okay.
So in that admin, what I'm going to write, class choice inline, choice inline, then admin dot stacked inline. I'll tell you through the output you will understand what is happening here.
Okay.
model equal to choice, right? And extra equal to 3, right? Now this was the question admin.
Yes.
Sorry, this was the question admin. Then I have to put this above. Let me. This was the question admin. I'm putting here, right?
Okay.
So here I have created choice inline, admin stacked inline, model choice. Now what I'm trying to do with a question, I'm putting question admin, right? And along this one I'm adding one more thing, inlines equal to choice inline. It should be in bracket. Here there was a conflict between fields and field set. Here we are also putting this order now.
Yes.
So either you will use this one or this one.
Okay.
Now see what is happening. I have created choice inline, admin stacked inline, choice. I'm using this model for this one.
Okay.
And 3 I've given. Just remember I've given 3. Now after writing this question admin, I am giving here inlines choice inline with this one.
Okay.
Now see the magic. This is the question. I'm going to add a question and see what is happening.
Oh. But we are not choosing the choices.
Now we are adding a choice.
Oh, okay.
What we are doing?
You're adding a choice.
Adding a question, and each question has some choice.
Yes, yes.
So previously, instead of adding the choices from here, it's allowing me, when you are adding the questions, you can add the choice also.
Yes, yes.
It's better than that one.
Yeah.
Instead of juggling on 2 screens, selecting the question and then adding the choices, here you are adding question and also putting
Choices.
giving choices, and boards by default what is coming. And here you can add more choice also.
Okay.
Django is helping you.
Yes, yes.
I have not created this feature. Clear?
Yes.
Interesting?
Yes.
Even you can delete. It's a deleting if not needed, right?
Okay.
Interesting?
Yes.
So this is the way of, if something is, some two tables are related and another table is depend on this question, I can display other values, I can add values for that question in the below. So that is basically the meaning of a stacked. I have a stacked, right?
Okay. Okay.
I have a stacked. What a stacked? With the question I have stacked choices.
Yes.
And how many times I'm displaying the choice? By
3.
default 3. And I'm using this here in lines equal to choice inline.
Choice. Inline.
I've added the here only, that's why it's coming.
Okay.
This is the choice inline class,
Yes.
and in lines I'm providing choice inline, that's why it's coming.
So choice inline is inbuilt.
You
Name.
have created choice inline.
Okay.
This is inbuilt, stacked inline,
Stack build. Okay.
right? You have to
Yes.
provide what are the models you are trying to use. I'm using the choice model. That's why the field of the model will come there.
Okay.
Field of the choice will come there.
Then what is that extra 3?
That's the by default 3 coming now here. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, yes.
If I change this one to 5, Let us see what is happening. By default,
Yeah, it's displaying 5.
clear?
Yes.
Interesting, very nice. So now the next, now these choices are coming in this way, right?
Okay.
I have some, I can use this tabular inline also. Yeah, let us see what it's doing. So instead of stack inline, if I change this the tabular inline, what it will do?
So, it displays in a like table.
So which was better, this one or
Yeah,
that
this
one?
is better. This is better.
Because that was taking lots of space.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's look it neat.
Looks more neater than the previous one, right?
Yeah, yes.
It's another magic. So you are not creating lots of feature, you are just writing some code and Django is helping to display like that, add those
Yeah.
fields, right?
Okay.
Here you can add your another choice also. So this is the advantage of Django.
Okay.
Now where we are. Now list display question admin was published recently. Okay. So I think we let us see list display this one. Question admin.
Yeah, we saw that, no, sir.
You have already used this one, right?
Yes.
The fields you are using, you are displaying that.
Yeah.
Now, in the question admin, I can was published recently. There was another field,
Yes.
right? So I can use that one here. Was published recently, right?
Okay.
So if you see your backend, this was the question. It's coming, right?
It is showing false. False.
Yeah, by default, see, the date is March 28, April 1st, and today is April 2nd. So,
So it comes like true or false, not like yes or no.
yeah, it's coming true and false. So we can display something. We can modify this one, right? Suppose today is 1st, 2nd. Now, see,
Yeah. Yes.
it's taking care of. It should be within 4 hours. If this question was created,
Okay.
then this is the published recently. Clear?
Yes.
So now, your good question was published recently. True, false is coming. So something we can add here, like if you go to the Django documentation and try to find this. Only you have to follow this documentation, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
You will get more and more idea. So here so here you see one display and that is related written as a @ decorator, right? So
Okay.
wherever this type of, you see, na, at the rate admin.
Yeah.
So this is known as a decorator. So learn about decorator in Python. Something is the advanced concept. And if you're not able to understand, tell me. I'll explain it tomorrow.
Okay.
Learn about decorators, right?
Yes.
So suppose that I'm just copying this, and this was under the question models, right? My question model is here, and I'm adding this here, right? So see what is happening. If I go to the back end, you see
Please.
what changed?
Yeah, symbol is coming.
Yeah, this is the way you can change like boolean. If I'm using display, so that true false will change into the uh, Django, that you can say cross and tick mark,
Yes.
right?
So it is done by using the decorator function.
Yes, that is done by this function.
Okay.
Decorator. I'm decorating this display with this one. I am telling them on which field I have to do this one,
Okay.
right?
The description is not needed, sir.
See here, if you see what is coming, published
Yeah,
recently, question mark
Yeah.
is coming. I have modified that.
Okay.
Previously, if I'm not putting this one, let us see what is coming. Was published recently was the by default,
Okay.
right? If you go to the admin, was published recently.
So
This,
it is overriding.
it's overriding, exactly.
Okay.
The correct word is it's overriding,
Yes.
right? So whatever the name by default coming from database. So where was the models? Was published recently was added. So it's a displaying by on way, but I am using my on
Description.
text, right?
Okay.
So that's why it's coming published recently.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now, two important thing here. I have lots of records. Suppose that here there is chances, na, I have lots of records.
Yes.
So I can put some filters.
This filter.
So here you see list filter. So where was the my admin? This is my admin, right?
Okay.
And I'm question admin. To the question admin I'm adding something. Here list filter, right? And putting the field name pub date, right?
Okay. So the list filter can come after the inline also.
No, let me show you what is happening. I'm just going to refresh and you will see some jadoo, magic. Are you able to see the magic? No? Let me comment this one. This is coming?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I saw that.
You saw that? Now I'm saving again, right?
Okay.
See the magic?
Yes.
So, if you want to say any date, I want to see today only.
Yes.
Past 7 days. This month.
This year.
This month April 1, na?
Yeah.
Past 7 days of March questions are also there.
Okay.
This month, this year. So this filter is already added by Django. I'm just applying the on what field I want to add the filter,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes.
Now another thing is the search. Suppose that I have, right now I have only 3 questions. Maybe there are thousands of questions. Chances are there may be thousands or
Yes.
500
Yes. Yes.
questions. So what I
For
can
that,
do, I can
we'll adding search filter.
search fields,
Feel. Oh, okay.
right? Search fields, and that will be like I'm giving here question text, right?
Okay.
Field name. You see what is coming
Yeah.
here? One field added.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Now you are able to search.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
So this is something you can play with the back end, and based on these things what we have discussed today,
Okay.
you can practice, right?
Yes.
And just small things I'm going to tell you related to some formatting in the front side, right? Like by default what we see, if I go to my front local, sorry, this is the, you see this, right?
Yes.
So basically this is my back end and this is my front end. This is my front end, this is back end. For the
Okay.
back end I have to learn and see what are the other options you can do with this one. There are lots of things you can do, and where you can find in the tutorial, if you go to documentation and documentation, Django, this one is here. So here lots of things are written here, right?
Okay.
You see details about migrations, details about testings in Django, caching how works, or this is something how Git can work. So it's a little advanced. How for the models, you want to understand more and more about models, you can learn from here, right?
Yes.
These are HTTP requests. These are the detail in forms. We have already dealt with form now.
Yes, sir.
This is templates, how templates work in the Django. So this is some detail for the more understanding. I'm it will take another 2 months if you go one by one everything whatever written in this Django, right?
Okay.
But I am using some methods or some ideas. I'm giving you some perspective that how you can use the Django to create your own project, right?
Okay.
What's it totally offering? You have to go learn from these documentations, right?
Yes.
So there are lots of things. If suppose you want to send them email from your code, you can use this one. Lodging, pagination you can add. Like on the front side, you want backend, it's already adding pagination, but on the front side, how you can add the pagination? This is the some security in the Django, how it's working. You should learn, right?
Okay.
So keep this handy and
Yes, sir.
keep looking into whenever you're working. So how we can use. Now see some CSS changes. How we can do for the front. This was my front.
Yes.
So you see polls, static polls, style.css. What I have to do, this is my apps, right? So within that I have to create a folder static, right?
Okay.
Static means, what is the meaning of static? That is not going to change, right? And within that again create a folder with the name of the app, polls, right? And within that what I'm trying to create,
Yes.
style.css. I'm creating a file, style.css, right? Now what I'm going to do in this style.css, li, what is there, li dot lia, lia, I'm going to give color green, right?
Okay.
Now I have to load that also. Right now I've created this style.css.
Yes.
Now I have to, how I can implement that in my template. I have to go to my index.html. This is the index.html.
Yes.
So on top of it I have to, what I have to write, load static, load static, right?
Okay.
And thereafter I have to give path of the CSS file. So I am writing here link, not sorry, link relation equal to style sheet, then href equal to static, then I'm writing here pose slash style dot css, right?
Okay.
Now see this, what is happening, not implemented. Okay, it's not loaded.
I think it's style sheet.
No, this is not a problem. Style sheet is okay. Here path is not taking the full path, right? So what we can do, if I put here URL, so here is something wired. Poles, static poles, path is okay. Poles, static poles, style.css, style.css, then index, load static, the first thing, what, why it's think same folder structure is here also. Polls, template polls, index.html, polls, static polls, style.css.
Yes.
So why it's not working? What are we are doing wrong?
So the link should be after the you go to that page. So,
Here,
so it should be after the LI, sir, the link.
why? First we are loading the CSS now.
Okay.
Static. Okay. Let us see something we are reversing. Double quotes, then here single quotes. Static. Let us go.
So you add URL.
Hold on. So here, this is the CSS.
Yes.
I think we have to start this one probably, then it will apply. 1 second. From where it's running, I have to control C. Okay, that was the problem. Whenever we are doing CSS level changes, that will, if you need to apply, you need to restart your server, right?
Okay.
That was the problem, only problem, right?
Yes.
See, I have added some CSS here.
Yeah.
Suppose I have to put some background in this background of this page. How I can do? So similarly, static polls, I can create one folder here, images, right? Create folder, images, and here we can put some image like I have some pictures. Suppose I'm taking this and paste. Right?
Okay.
I pasted this one. Then in my CSS, I can write like this: body. This was my style.css. I can write here body. What was this? Is background. Background. Then white URL. What the URL? Images / nvidia.jpg, right?
Okay.
And if I am again, I have to, I think, restart this one. It will not work. Oh, coming.
Yes.
You see,
Yeah.
I have my control of my own layout and designs. I can do like this. So the URL I've shared with you, the project, you can same look and feel you can create by your way. Clear?
So what's the come again?
The Disney website I've shared with you, the front end.
Okay.
The same front end you can create.
Okay. Yeah, by here itself in
Index.
Django itself.
Yeah, in Django. I've created a style.css. I have index.html. I am loading that whatever the style.css written, and I can create the complete form. complete
Okay,
page.
but what? How to create it in front end and link with here, sir?
Sorry.
So you have created it through front end and linked with back end.
No, no. First, you should create front end. Then, how
Okay.
that linking will work, we'll look into. Right.
Okay.
First, create that page front end section, and keep working on the back end, and then we'll look into how the front end form will be interact with the back end when we'll submit.
Okay.
Right.
So for now, I will replicate that page itself.
Yes, yes. Replicate that page.
Yeah, using HTML and CSS, I will replicate that page, and later we will be linking with the backend.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
So we are good now.
Yes, sir.
So I think we are good for today, and
Okay.
hope.
So now, today, can I do this, sir, so I can replicate this page?
Yes, yes. Do you are free hand now?
Okay.
As much you can do now.
Okay, sir. So, so this can be my project.
Yeah, this will be your project.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much.